CVS stock price has been dropping for a year, and over the last 30 days, it's just gotten worse. What's going on with the healthcare space? They are under attack. Politicians don't like them. We had a brutal assassination of the CEO of United Healthcare. Is this space investable? Well, I'd like to take a look. I'm an investor and a stockholder of CVS. And if I look at their fundamentals, they look great. But there is a storm around this industry. And I wanted to take a look at CBS and see if it's worth keeping my stock or maybe even buying more shares, or should I just get out and cut my losses? Well, let's take a look. Over the past year, CBS has gone down 41%. And over the last month, the stock is down 21%. It is not a pretty sight. The stock provides some good characteristics, especially this dividend of 6%. And I'll show you the fundamentals in a bit. Fundamentals look great. Now, the pain is all over the healthcare space. United Healthcare is down substantially over the last 30 days, and Walgreens is down 60%. Humana is down 49%. The healthcare space is just really taking a hit. The bad news is making the stock price go down. We have an elected president saying he's going to go after the middlemen in the healthcare industry, and we have both sides, Republicans and Democrats, saying bad things about the healthcare space. But this stock, it has a lot of value. Again, it has a 6% dividend yield. Meanwhile, it has a really low PE of 11 and a forward P is 7.5. Analysts think it's a strong buy. I agree. I think it's discounted substantially. My discount's even higher than what analysts are putting on the stock. The company is growing their revenue. They've been growing year after year, and they have good margins. And I do like that CVS is diversified. They have their pharmacy retail business. They have their healthcare payer business. They actually provide services as well. So they're not exactly a pure play middleman or middle company, I guess. I think that their diversification is attractive. I am light on healthcare right now. I really like the small biotech, high growth pharmaceutical companies. They're doing really well. I've got two in my portfolio, and I'd like to add a third there. And I'm going to hold CVS. I think I'm going to actually add some shares. This bad news is going to go away. And at the end of the day, maybe a year from now, the market is going to price the company based on fundamentals. And I expect that analysts and I will be correct. And this stock should go up over time. At the end of the day, we're not going to stop going to the pharmacy and get our prescriptions. We're not going to get them, stop getting the medications that we need. Doctors will continue to prescribe all the medicines, as well as people will still need the health insurance that CVS provides through their company, Aetna. So all those things I think are going to hold the revenues nice and high, continue to grow the company. And at some point, the bad news will go away. And I'm hoping that my shares will go up in value. So that's my video on CBS. Let's see how long this storm of bad news continues. But it may be a really good opportunity to buy a very discounted stock.